The 10th Philippine Electric Vehicle Summit drew a good number of visitors to the SMX Convention Center, an indication that more and more people are thinking about shifting to EVs. The Electric Vehicle Association of the Philippines, organizer of the two-day summit, espoused unity among the public and private sector to help accelerate the adoption of EVs in the country.
As you could see, there are more people that are inclined into electric and that they see the benefits, especially with the EVIDA law that is rolled out and it is being set, and that you could see that the government and the private sectors work hand in hand to have this industry built together.
EVAP unveiled a new logo at the summit to highlight the shift towards the faster adoption of electromobility.
Well, on our new EVAP logo, it's very timely that we want to pursue on the acceleration and that the stability of the EV industry is getting stronger and that it encourages to switch into electric as we highlighted the logo that is with batteries on it. So switch to EVs. BEV is the key.
The summit also drew the participation of more automotive companies who showcased their electric and hybrid vehicles. This highlighted how the global automotive industry is shifting towards electrification and sustainable mobility.
10 years na yung EVAP, so we've always been supported and we've seen them grow also over the years. And through those efforts, we know that the knowledge, awareness of a lot of people, our stakeholders, are really increasing when it comes to EV. And it's very good for us because it's aligned with our global direction of Ambition 2030.
So we're featuring today the Ioniq 5, our first entry in the country for the fully electric vehicle. So the Ioniq 5 is the winner of the World Car of the Year. It is a triple crowned winner for the design and its performance as well. Our participation here in the EV Summit is to show support for the electrification of vehicles. Of course, the global mission vision of Hyundai is progress in humanity, wherein we want to make sure that our vehicles are contributing to the sustainability of our world.
For this event, we are highlighting the Outlander PHEV, and this is one of the electric vehicles that Mitsubishi is highlighting mainly for its hybrid capacity and plug-in capacity.